Hey, yeah, the World Championships. Deh Yah. And you know that means prediction and medal count Maverick style. And I must warn that my predictions will be conservative predictions. So some possible medal winners not gonna get any medals in my prediction. So here we go. The name of the events and the athletes who will win medals and the color of the medals. Starting with the women's 100 meters. I say gold and silver to Sharika and Shelly in that order. Women's 200, gold for Sharika. Sprint hurdles for men, silver and bronze for Rashid Broadbell and Hans the Parchment in that order. Field events, women's triple jump, Shanika Ricketts, bronze. For the men, Jaden Hibbert, silver. Relays now. Women 4x1, gold. Women 4x4, silver. Men's 4x1, bronze. And the mixed relays, bronze. So there you have it. 3 gold, yes. 4 silver, yes. And 4 bronze, yes. For a grand total of 11 medals for Jamaica. Yes. And when it all ends in Budapest, you're all gonna say, Maverick, you the best.